Ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio on Newton, wishing you could just trade one coin for another without going through the hassle of selling for fiat and then buying again? You're not alone. That simple desire to seamlessly swap digital assets is something many crypto users crave. So, let's dive straight into the big question: can you actually swap coins directly on Newton? To answer that accurately, we need to understand what swapping typically means in the crypto world and then examine Newton's current functionalities. When we talk about swapping, we generally refer to the direct exchange of one cryptocurrency for another within the same platform, without the need for intermediary steps involving fiat currency. Think of it like trading one type of apple for another at a market, rather than selling your apples for cash and then using that cash to buy a different kind. This kind of direct crypto-to-crypto exchange is a hallmark feature of many dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap and PancakeSwap heavily feature this functionality. It allows for quick and efficient portfolio rebalancing, taking advantage of market fluctuations, and accessing a wider range of trading pairs. Now, let's turn our attention specifically to Newton. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency platform focused on providing users with access to a curated list of popular cryptocurrencies. They emphasize user-friendliness and aim to simplify the process of buying and selling digital assets. Their approach has resonated with many Canadians looking for an accessible entry point into the crypto market. However, as of my last update, Newton operates primarily as a fiat-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat gateway. This means that the core functionality revolves around buying cryptocurrencies using Canadian dollars, CAD, and selling cryptocurrencies back into CAD. While they offer a growing selection of digital assets, the platform's architecture is geared towards these direct fiat pairings. Therefore, the direct swapping of one cryptocurrency for another, say, directly trading Bitcoin, BTC, for Ethereum, ETH, or Cardano, ADA, for Solana, SOL, is not a currently available feature on the Newton platform in the way it exists on dedicated crypto exchanges or DEXs. When you want to move from one cryptocurrency to another on Newton, the current process involves selling your existing cryptocurrency for CAD and then using that CAD to purchase the desired cryptocurrency. This is a two-step process that inherently involves transaction fees and exposes you to potential price fluctuations during the interim period. Let's illustrate with an example. Suppose you hold Bitcoin on Newton and you want to acquire Ethereum. The current method would require you to sell your Bitcoin for Canadian dollars. This transaction would incur a selling fee based on Newton's fee structure. Once the CAD is in your Newton account, you would then use it to buy Ethereum. This purchase would also incur a buying fee. As you can see, this isn't a direct swap. It involves a round trip through fiat currency, which can be less efficient and potentially more costly than a direct crypto-to-crypto trade. Now, you might be wondering why Newton doesn't currently offer direct crypto swaps. There could be several reasons for this. Regulatory landscape. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada is evolving. Offering direct crypto-to-crypto trading might involve different or more complex regulatory requirements that Newton is currently navigating. Focusing on fiat-to-crypto pairs might align with their current regulatory strategy. Platform complexity. Implementing a robust and secure crypto-to-crypto trading engine requires significant technical infrastructure and security measures. Newton might be prioritizing other aspects of their platform development or taking a phased approach to introducing more complex trading features. User focus. Newton's primary focus appears to be on providing a simple and accessible platform for Canadians to buy and sell major cryptocurrencies. Their target audience might be more comfortable with fiat-based transactions initially. Liquidity and market making. Facilitating direct swaps efficiently requires sufficient liquidity for various trading pairs. Newton might be building up the necessary liquidity and market-making partnerships before introducing direct trading. Security considerations. Adding more complex trading features can also introduce new security risks. Newton likely prioritizes the security of user funds and might be taking a cautious approach to expanding their trading functionalities. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving. Platforms frequently introduce new features and services based on user demand and market developments. Therefore, while direct crypto swapping isn't available on Newton now, it doesn't necessarily mean it won't be in the future. If direct crypto-to-crypto trading is a crucial feature for you, you might consider using other cryptocurrency exchanges that offer this functionality alongside your Newton account. This would allow you to take advantage of Newton's user-friendly fiat on-ramp and off-ramp while utilizing other platforms for direct swaps. Keep an eye on Newton's official announcements and updates. They often communicate new features and developments through their website, social media channels, and email newsletters. User feedback also plays a significant role in shaping the features that platforms prioritize, so expressing your interest in direct crypto swapping to Newton's support channels could also be beneficial. In summary, while Newton provides a convenient way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with Canadian dollars, it currently does not offer the direct swapping of one cryptocurrency for another within the platform. If you need this functionality, you'll need to use the two-step process of selling for fiat and then buying the desired coin, or consider utilizing other cryptocurrency exchanges that specialize in direct crypto-to-crypto trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.